Hello you guys, I recently bought the silent dog whistle from ACME. It's the number 535 and I was just thinking it would be nice to unbox it and find out how it sounds like and maybe compare it to some other whistles that I have. I'll be getting a dog soon, a small Münsterliner or kleiner Münsterliner compared to how you pronounce it. Yeah, I would like to do some whistle training with it. So yeah, here we have it. It's this little guy here. It's not that big. So let's just get it out of the package. And here we have the whistle. So we have a protector cap here. If you can see this, should be able to. Oof, this is stupid. Do I just pull over? Oh, you just pull. So this part is the adjuster, where you can adjust how loud or silent the whistle should be. If it's all out, like this, it should be the loudest tune. This is the furthest. And then of course you can turn it in. It has small rings, if you can see this. And that should be intervals of tunes. So let's just try it and find out how it sounds. Yeah, I can't hear that. So I'm old. Let's just take it out one ring about here. And that's audible. But okay, let's take the next ring. Way louder. And compared to other flutes, I've 3D printed some stuff and just to test it out. And I couldn't, they were hard to blow, and I don't feel that with this one. So that's funny. So I made these small 3D printed flutes. And yes, they're not dog flutes, this one. I have another one, but I think my kid stole it. So yeah, let's just test this one. It's really loud, so take care of your ears. And then this one. So yeah, they are emergency flutes, not for dog training. But it's always good to have. You never know if you need these, if you're somewhere weird. I'm driving around on my electric unicycle, and if I get into a crash, I like to have a flute in my pocket, and it's easier to call some help than it is without. So yeah, this was a wrap around this nice little whistle. And oh, you have a satisfying little click there. Nice. Yeah, that's it for today. So I hope you found this useful, and yeah, see you in another video, guys. Have fun out there.